Hello all, welcome to Datto's class. In this video, we are going to see how to assign page numbers, multi-level headings and table of contents in MS Word. Special thanks to Professor Chaitanya CSV and Professor Balaji for assisting this video. So let's get started. In this video, we are going to see how to assign page number to multi-section document, chapter heading, multi-level section heading, and finally we create table of content. We shall open the Microsoft Word document. So this is my Microsoft Word document. Here I will consider preface, acknowledgement and overview as one section, table of content as second section and chapters as third section. For this, at the end of overview, I will go to layout option and go to the break option, click on it and pop-up will be produced, and in the section break click on next page. So there will be a section break created. In the similar way, where you want to insert the section break, go to the table of content and here also click on break option. In the section break option click on next page. So here in order to ensure that we have created three sections, you can click on footer. So see here, up to acknowledgement, that is preference, acknowledgement and overview is one section, that is section 1. Table of content is another section and the chapters are in third section. So now this is how we create multi-section document. Now we need to assign page number to each of the sections separately. So for section 1, I will go to page number option and I will click on page number and I will assign page number to the bottom of the page. So here I will select third option. So now see, from the starting, that is from the preface, it is page number 1, acknowledgement page number 2, overview as page number 3, and another page 4 will be created in the section 1. Say I want section 1 page numbers to be in Roman number. In such case, right click on the mouse and go to format page number and go to number format and select it as Roman and start at 1. So in this way, in the preface it will be Roman 1, acknowledgement Roman 2, overview Roman 3 and a blank page created will be Roman 4. And in the table of content, I want page number as some other format like ABC. So I will select that format and I will tell it to start from here. So this is for page number assignment for section 2 and page number assignment for section 3. So I will same way, I will right click on that number and go to the format page number and I will tell to start at 0. Since it has started 0, and then my page number will be, sorry guys, I will instruct it to start at 1. So my page number will be beginning from 1. So see, now the page number will be continuous and it will be end at 30. So in this way we can assign individual page number to different sections uniquely. So this is the first part of the presentation. Now we shall see how to assign headings to multi-level headings. In that there can be chapter heading, section heading and like subsection heading, in that subsection heading. So we shall see how to assign these heading numbers. So now since it is a chapter heading, in order to select any heading numbering, first we need to go to this paragraph, that is multi-level list, click on that and select this option, that is multi-level heading. Click on this. So now the heading list will be created, that is heading 1, heading 2 and so on. So first one is always related to the chapter heading. So go select this and right click on this plane and modify, that is configuring to your requirement. I will say the characters should be in the black, they should be bold, and it should be italic, and my size is 16, and I will say my requirement is Times New Roman. And also you can configure the spacing below and above by using these options, that is increasing the spacing or decreasing the spacing. Also, if you go to format and go to paragraph, here you can adjust 0 point or automatic pointing. According to this adjustment you can do. So here I have given, and also I will make my heading in the center. So see, this is how I configured. Now this is chapter 1 and this is the heading 1. Now this is the section heading I want. So again I will go select heading 2, that I will right click on it and click on modify. So here same thing, black I require bold, underline, and my size is 14, subsection heading, and formatting is Times New Roman, and I don't want any paragraph spacing, so I will go to format and click on paragraph, and I will make it as after as 0. So click on OK. So now this is my second heading, that is section heading. That is chapter heading is 1, section heading is 1.1. Now we shall see how to create subsection heading. Say I want to create this history as subsection. So select this one. Yeah, there is another subsection has been created by name heading 3. Same thing, right click, modify, go to black, configure to your requirement. So I will make these as 12, Times New Roman, no spacing is required. So go here, auto 0. So now select this and click on third. So this, see now 1, 1.1, 1.1.1. So after this the configuration is easy. So this is also a subsection heading. Select this, take and brush it. So or select this and brush the entire paragraph. So now it is 1.1.2, that is definition. After that I require protocol. So again same thing, select this section, brush, and make it, see, 1.1.3. So here there are another level of subsection heading. So for this again I will configure this heading for, right click on it, modify, again black, I don't want an italic, so I will make it as 12, Times New Roman, and I will format it as no spacing after the characters. So click on OK. So now I will make it as heading 4, that is 1.1.3.1. Now just select this, brush it, and press the subsection you want to create. Same thing for the timing also. So in this way, now see guys, 1, 1.1, 1.1.1, and 1.1.2, 1.1.3. In that there are 3 subsections in 1.1.3, 3.1, 3.2, 3.3. So now protocol and standards are on the same line, so I will just brush it. So 1.1.4, here again this belongs to heading 4 and this belongs to heading, that is in 1.1.4, 4.1 and 4.2. So in this way, next is, so this is also a subsection. So directly I will click on heading 2, that is 1.2. So these are third level of heading, 1.2.1, and I can brush it. So brush. So there are 2 ways guys, neither way you can do. So just brush and brush the number we want to create, section or section we want to create. So jitter, see 1.2.2, 1.2.3, 1.2.4. Now this is the second level, so section heading, so 1.3. Again in that third level, that is 1.3.1. so brush it. So in no time you can create these subsections. So this is another subsection, so heading 2, in that subsection, so third level of heading it is. So this is fourth level of heading. So this is third level. In this way you can go on creating, guys. So now we came to chapter 2. So basically this is uh, chapter heading, so that is heading 1. So just select it. Now this is a section heading. Go to second heading, select the second heading. This is third level subsection. So now this is also third heading. So in this way you can create. And this one, random access protocol, is subsection heading. Just brush it or select from the style plane. So in that, Aloha is also another entity. So 2.3. So pure Aloha and slotted Aloha comes under 2.3. So I will select it as third level of heading, 2.3.1. This also 2.3.1. So in this way, guys, I have completed my assignment of heading of numbering of the chapters as well as section and subsection headings. Now I need to create my table of content. So I will move to my table of content page, and here I will go to reference option, click on reference option, and now you can see here table of content option. Click on it and go to custom table of. There are many default table of content, but table of content available, but we will see how to create custom table of content to our requirement. So click on custom table of content and click on modify. So first level of heading I require, this is basically chapter heading. So what we did, we require black, bold, and chapter heading should be 16, and I can make it as Times New Roman. So it should be right justified or left justified. Click on OK. Next, for second, that is section heading, I will select it as black, and I will make it as a 14, Times New Roman. Yeah, all are left justified. So for third level of heading, I will make it as 12 and black, and mine is Times New Roman. So okay. Fourth level of heading, I require 12 and black and Times New Roman. Click on OK. If there are any other fifth level of heading, same thing you can repeat. So Times New Roman. OK. So OK, and click on OK. See, now it has created your table of content automatically. If you want bold, or if you don't want any spacing, just again you can go to your custom table of content, modify. So here it is, so 16 page number. Go to format, paragraphs. So I don't want spacing, so click on OK. For everything you need to change the paragraph if you don't want spacing before and after. So in this way you can modify your spacing of table of content. So again click on modify, go to format, paragraph, auto 0. OK, click on OK. OK, see guys, replace. It will ask if you click on yes. So your table of content has been prepared within no time. I hope this was useful. Keep subscribing to the TUS class. Thank you. Have a nice day.